In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find TradingView Username. If you've ever needed to share your profile, get credited for a published idea, or connect with others on the platform, knowing exactly what your username is can save a lot of time. Let's walk through it clearly and make sure you leave with the answer. First, log into your account at tradingview.com. If you're already signed in, you're all set. If not, head to the website and sign in using your usual credentials. Remember, your username is different from your email address or your display name, so even if you've used TradingView for a while, it's worth double-checking the exact username listed on your profile. Once you're on the TradingView homepage and logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there, usually a small round avatar or placeholder image. Click that profile icon to open the account menu. This menu is where TradingView keeps your personal settings, preferences, and account details, and it's the quickest route to finding your username without digging around. From the menu that appears, click Settings and Billing. Different account tiers and interface updates might slightly adjust how this looks, but the wording should be very close to Settings and Billing. This area centralizes everything related to your account, from profile details to subscription information, so it's the right place to confirm how your profile appears publicly. Inside Settings and Billing, look for the section labeled Public Profile. This is where TradingView shows the identity information other users can see. Under Public Profile, you'll see your username clearly displayed. This username is the handle people use to find you, tag you, and view your published content. It's distinct from a display name, which can be more decorative, and it's the most reliable identifier when sharing your profile or receiving credit. Take a moment to note it exactly as shown, paying attention to capitalization and any underscores or numbers, since those details matter. If you've never customized it, the username might be auto-generated from when you created your account. That's normal. And the important thing is that you now know where to check it whenever you need. That's all there is to it. Log in, click your profile icon in the top right, open Settings and Billing, and under Public Profile, you'll see your username. Keep this spot in mind anytime you want to verify or share your TradingView identity quickly and confidently.